All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this trailer hitch. So you can see here the size and gross trailer weight, 1,500 pounds to 22,000 pounds. And there's kind of what everything looks like. I can say this thing has some real weight to it. One of the heaviest boxes I've gotten. When you look at it, you wouldn't think it's heavy. So thanks to this company for sending it to me. We're gonna unbox it and show you what comes inside of here. Let's open it up. Nicely padded, it looks like, for a super thick piece of metal. Wow. So, trailer hitches, support information, nice. And then all of the little accoutrement that you would need. So like this has a key. So you got like a full lock there. I didn't know that was a thing. That's pretty cool. Super strong. Like that is some real metal. We've got these parts here. Again, super strong. So like pins. Very, very nice. And we've got this part here. Looks like you have 3 of these rubber pieces. They're pretty thick as well. And take that out. We get to the next part. Wow. This thing is heavy duty. Oh man. So heavy duty, it's hard to get out of here. Wow. This thing weighs a ton. Like, wow. Yeah, there's your specs on it. Very, very nice. This thing is it should tow for you. And then the last piece down in here is the adjustable balls. I mean, look at that weld. Wow. All the way around. That, of course, slides into here, and you're able to use the pins to put it through and pick your spot. Super amazing. 22,000 pounds, 15,000 pounds. That's it for the box. So that's literally everything that comes inside of this. Very, very nice product. And I'm telling you, this thing has weight and strength to it. 2 big thumbs up on this. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.